So welcome guys, and today we'll look at how to pin a document to the recent file list. And you click on file, then open. This will take us to the recent file list, and you can scroll to the right of your document, then click on the pin. This will allow us to pin the document on the top of our recent list. As you can see, our document is pinned, and you can open the document, or you can click on, or you can unpin. So to unpin, you just have to click the pin again, or you can pin it. So let's pin another document, and you see when you pin a document, it goes to the top of the recent file list. And that's how you pin your documents. You can see this is the pinned area. So remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.